South Korea has raised its highest alert as Super Typhoon Hinnamnor tracks towards Busan. The storm has already unleashed damaging winds and rain, prompting evacuation orders and flight cancellations as well. It's forecast to make landfall southwest of Busan earlier tomorrow before tracking towards western Japan.
South Korea is bracing for impact as Super Typhoon Hinnamnor intensifies. As the storm edges closer to the southern island of Jeju, residents are already feeling the effects of its violent winds and outer rain bands. The typhoon, with a radius of 400 kilometers, is expected to be the strongest to ever make landfall in the country. Heavy rain warnings have been issued across the country until Tuesday. Hundreds of flights have been cancelled, and schools as well as several businesses are being forced to shut.
태풍이 들이닥쳐서 상황이 발생하면 선조치 후보고 그리고 태풍이 지나간 후에는 즉각적인 피해 복구 이런 것들이 이루어져야 할 것입니다.
Authorities have urged those living in basement homes and coastal areas to evacuate. Hinnamnor already ripped through southern Japan over the weekend, knocking down trees and power lines in parts of Okinawa Prefecture. While the storm is tracking north over the East China Sea, it's expected to change course and head towards western Japan by early tomorrow. Extremely rough seas and fierce winds are expected in Kyushu. Authorities have warned of waves measuring 12 meters high and urged residents to be on alert for flooding in coastal areas. Meanwhile, cities in eastern China also preparing for Hinnamnor's arrival. Schools and ferry services have been suspended as the storm brings heavy rain to Zhejiang and Shanghai.